Hey everybody, so let's take a look at this question and how to solve it. It says solid gold ingots from the ancient Bathiates tribe were said to contain exactly 5.67 times 10 to the 24th atoms of gold. No one knows if this is true, or if it is true, how they accomplished it. What is the mass of one of these ingots in grams? So first of all, there's a lot of information in this question, but essentially what it's saying is you've got a certain amount of atoms, 5.67 times 10 to the 24th, and we have to figure out what those atoms weigh in grams. So we're changing the number of atoms into grams. And to do this, we're going to take advantage of two different conversion factors. One of them is kind of like the definition of a mole, and we know that 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd of anything that you're counting. In this case, we're counting gold atoms. And the other conversion that we're going to take advantage of is the fact that 1 mole always equals a certain number of grams that depends on what the element is, or the substance. In this case, the substance is just gold, so we need gold's molar mass from a periodic table. And if you find a periodic table and find the symbol for gold Au, you'll see that its molar mass is 196.97. At this point, we are ready to answer this question and set it up using a process known as dimensional analysis, where you take the number that you were given, 5.67 times 10 to the 24th gold atoms. I like to just use the symbol for the element. Multiply that initial number by some conversion factors where these units cancel off. I know that gold has to be in the denominator of my first conversion to cancel off those gold atoms. And then I just have to come up here to my two different conversion factors and pick which ones to plug in. Clearly it has to be the one that I wrote first, the one actually involving gold atoms. In this way, I can say that 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd gold atoms. I'm going to keep going one extra conversion step to cancel off moles. Notice how it's in the denominator, so it cancels off. Finally, changing moles into grams. Again, the conversion, or the numbers that get plugged in there, as the second conversion factor I wrote, 1 mole is 196.97 grams. And I'm finished because the unit that does not cancel is grams, which is exactly what this question was asking about. If you multiply and round your answer to some reasonable significant figures, you get 1,860 grams of gold in one of these ingots.